Here's how you can refine your armor and your weapons in Crimson Desert. Now over in Hernan Town, on the first town that you're going to encounter when you just start the game, try to find the smithy right here. This is pretty much manned by Trunali. If I zoomed out, this is where you should initially respawn at over the Royal Trading Post. Once you make your way over to Hernan, go over here in this road and then turn left. If I show you here, this is pretty much the main road, and then if you turn left from that, you should be able to find him right inside here. Now once you find him, press Ctrl and then press R while facing him. This should open up the smithy shop, and you can find the option for refinement right here. Now, to refine my sword, it requires 2 pieces of iron ore. To refine my helmet, it will require 1 iron ore, and then thin hide for the rest of my other armors. Now I do want to refine the Sword of the Wolf, so I'm going to press this one, and then use 2 pieces of iron ore by pressing R to refine it. And then he should refine your sword. And that's pretty much it about how to refine your weapon and armor in Crimson Desert.